are going to be taking off here in a couple hours, but we're going to get on the plane not hungry because we're going to Wahlburgers.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
We're going to check out the Wahlburgers hamburger spot here on the boulevard.
Let's see if they're better than Poppy's.
Let's see if they are. I doubt it too. Let's go check it out. Oh, there they are.
You gotta get in closer.
There the guys are. The
You know, you said you were
Wahlburgers.
gonna come here for one of my burgers. I didn't know if you were actually gonna come in and see one of my burgers, Bobby.
We're not just going to see. We are going to compare your burger to the Poppy burger.
It's alright.
Yeah.
All good. Let's
There's some wackos at the Wahlburgers. Wackos at the Wahlburgers. Plenty of wackos out here, but this one takes the cake.
This one's got Kathy scared.
You concerned?
No, I'm inside. I'm outside.
Until they come inside, right?
Oh, I run.
Don't share your burger with the wackos. Anyway, hopefully this Wahlburger is nice.
You pick up all the
You grabbed all of his goods.
So, I guess since we're talking about wackos, we can reminisce a little about the White Castle in Louisville.
Oh my, I was very scared. No, really, I was like,
Come across a weird one there too?
Oh yeah.
honey,
You didn't know? Oh, I didn't tell you about this one. That,
you didn't tell. You have to tell.
all right.
Look, see?
So we're at the White Castle. It's about 11 o'clock. Pretty close to where my brother lives in Louisville. And we were hungry. I wanted White Castles. It's been a long time. So we were driving. It's late. There's nobody in the White Castle. I'm like, let's just eat in the White Castle. There's nobody in there. I don't want to eat in the car. It was too late. So we decided to eat the White Castle. And we had a similar situation as this wacko outside the window here.
But we, at the beginning, we tried to just pick up and eat it at home. And then
Yeah, we were going to take it on.
And then Eric said, no, we don't want to wake up our friends, so let's eat it here. Nobody's here. Yeah, let's do it. Bad
idea, huh? Anyway, I thought there was a guy outside the window out there. It's late, 11 o'clock, something like that at night. And I thought it was one of the workers picking up trash around the edge, but it wasn't. He had an orange vest on, like one of those reflective vests on. And the dude just started freaking out, looking in the windows, bug-eyeing everybody. Finally, Mercy was like, oh, I hope he doesn't come in here. So it was us and one other lady sitting there waiting for her food. We're eating at this point. So she said, I hope he doesn't come in. And sure enough, here he comes. He comes in.
Oh no,
So
you won't believe it. He looks so weird.
Yeah, he was spaced out on something.
Red eyes,
Yeah.
like very mean, like
Yeah, he
looking
was.
at you like, I
He,
hate
he,
you.
he flipped up a plastic wallet. First he's like, give me $1. He wants $1 out of everybody. But then he's saying he was the CIA or something. He was some kind of a government agency.
And he whipped up in his badge wallet.
Didn't know badge, but he had a little wallet. He threw it out on the table at me, and he wanted $1. But the worst part was when I threw it back at him, he didn't like it. He didn't like that when I threw the wallet back. Anyway, I told him to get lost. Get out of here, leave it alone. Threw his wallet. Finally went outside again. None of the employees did a thing about it. That's the thing that got me.
Nobody cared. They were
Nobody
laughing.
in
They
there.
were laughing like that.
Well, they didn't realize how off this guy was. I'm surprised they didn't already know things like this didn't already happen to them. White Castle workers overnight and everything, they're 24 hours. But they had no concern, and they did it a little bit because he started motioning like he had a gun at one point in a window. He was starting
Waistband stuff?
yeah, it's going down in his
At this
waistband.
point, I only ate one castle.
She couldn't eat no more castles.
to the second one, and I couldn't. I was terrified. I feel like everything, you know, is closed. Every place closed. I'm scared.
She said, I want to go back to the
I
Philippines.
want to go home. I want to go back to the Philippines right now.
Where this doesn't happen. Anyway, we finally left. The dude followed us to our car, actually. Stood in front of our car and gave us some angry looks. But,
Walking behind us.
yeah, as we're pulling out. He was also, he was also harassing all the people in the drive-thru. So nobody was eating inside. Now I know why. They were just picking up drive-thru. Dude was harassing everybody. Anyway, scared Mercy to death. That was our first bum encounter being here. Now we're seeing many others here in LA. It's everywhere, guys. No matter where you live. But some are more extreme than others. More extreme. This one was a little over the top right here. What little bit I caught on camera.
Yeah, no, it's been acting because you were ordering and I was here and I was like,
Oh,
I'm gonna change my table.
You were ready to change seats. All right, Wahlburgers are coming up. This was a Wahlburger video, not a bum video. But it became both. You get it all here on the Poppy channel. I will say this milkshake is pretty good.
Oh, it's
nice and
delicious.
creamy. Pretty good milkshake. All right, here we go. Display these birds.
Same, right?
Ours are the same, yeah. Look at that bird.
I don't like sharing, so there's one for
Oh,
you.
thank you. There's the shredded lettuce example that I love so much. I love shredded lettuce on a burger.
Here's my barbecue bacon.
The only thing is they put it on the bottom. I'm not a big bottom lettuce person. I like top lettuce. Look at these little onion ring
What is that,
crispies.
onion rings?
These look like what we do in the restaurant to make green bean casserole out of. Honestly, that's how little I make my onion rings.
Shoestring onion straws.
Delicious. Well, here we go. We're going to try this Wahlburger. Now, which one did you get, Eric?
Barbecue bacon.
Barbecued bacon
Got
burger.
the jalapenos on the bottom.
Lift that up. Dissect that a little bit for everybody. Let's see what's in it. We've got a
the
couple
big
slices of
thick cut
bacon.
bacon,
Yeah. Get some
pepper
cheese.
jack,
Oh, there's the fresh
Jalapenos, barbecue,
jalapenos.
avocado, smashed
Fresh
avocado.
Nice. That looks
Oh yeah,
good.
it's gonna be spicy.
Oh, look at my puppy.
Oh, you got some good pickles in there. Mine's the same as yours. We got the same. That's a good looking burger.
Yeah, it
Good
looks
looking
good.
patty.
We'll see.
Like I said, I like the lettuce on the shredded lettuce part of it. I'm good for that. But I like my lettuce on top, damn it. What do you put lettuce on the bottom of a burger for? I don't know. I've seen that happen many, many times, but I'm a top lettuce person. These are very good. Little onion fry, little straws. Look at those. Crispy. And a very large portion.
Yeah, very good.
Very large portion. This sharing. That's a sharing bucket. Anyway, I like the burger. Like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing on the burger. Pretty good patty. It's like a quarter-pound patty. It's not a huge patty. All we need, though. It's all the protein we need. Brother. All right, so overall, Wahlburgers, pretty good stuff. Pretty
I like
good
it.
stuff.
I like it.
Not a bad burger at all.
Barbecue bacon was good.
Yeah.
Fresh jalapenos.
They were good.
The onion rings were the best.
They are really good. Squeeze in here.
Shoestring straws.
You're out of frame. There we go.
And you get a little souvenir Wahlburgers cup when you do your shit.
Keep their cut.
Yeah, we will.
Anyway, we were admiring this artist out here. I'm not going to bug him because he's in the middle of his deal. This is one of the most, I guess the best street art guy I've seen out here. $20 a person. That is so cheap to get this done. Look at this. What great work.
Look at that Bill Clinton up top. That's such a good Bill Clinton.
Yeah, it is. Pretty good.
Oh yeah, I'm coming
Nice.
back here with her.
Yeah,
Me and
Eric's
her.
gonna get a Herbie one like this.
It's happening.
Yeah. There we go. I got some red hot chili peppers on my tail. I know I'm gonna get nabbed by the red hot chili peppers. All right, we're off to get a plane.
Time.
We're heading out. We'll see you guys in the Philippines. Hey guys, we're at the airport here in Taipei, and of course we ran into some subscribers here. Check it out.
Hector.
Introduce yourselves, guys. Hector,
Hector, my wife
Shirley, and the kids called us out at the airport and said, "Hey, I know those guys." So yeah, we're on the same plane back to Clark. It's been a long trip, but we're ready to get back. I'm tired.
We'll see you guys at your restaurant.
Yeah.
Definitely won't be trying.
Come on by. We'll be there
As long as
today, but probably out of commission today.
As long as you got cold beer over there, I'll be there.
That's it. We
Good
do.
food and cold beer.
That we do. Thank you, guys.
欢迎所有的贵宾以及5000万里游钻石卡金卡贵宾及星空联盟金卡贵宾搭乘本班机。
All right, guys, we just got off the plane, stepped foot in the restaurant after being 6 weeks away, and look what we got. Another license plate. This gentleman right here brought it all the way from Washington. What's your name again, sir?
Mike.
Mike here. You live here all the time?
Yeah.
But yeah, we appreciate it, Mike. I'm going to find a nice spot for this up on the wall with, I don't know, I think I had a Washington, but maybe I don't. I'll take multiple. I'll put it down in the walking street area too. I'm trying to fill up those walls.
I can't bring you another one. Because when I had it, I didn't realize it was bad.
I'll take them. Thank you.